A junior developer just got rejected from 47 jobs in a row. Not because he can't code, because the company replaced the entire junior role with an AI agent that costs $9 a month. This is happening right now, and nobody is talking about what it actually means. In 2024, junior dev job postings dropped 31%. In 2025, another 28%. In 2026, some of the biggest tech companies quietly removed the junior title from their hiring pipeline completely. The reason? Vibe coding. You describe what you want in plain English, the AI writes the code. You accept it, tweak it, ship it. No syntax, no debugging, no understanding required. Sounds amazing. It is. For senior developers. For juniors, it's a death sentence, and I'll show you exactly why in a moment. First, the economics. A junior developer costs a company about $70,000 a year. Benefits, onboarding, mentorship, code reviews, mistakes, slow ramp-up time. Now look at Cursor, Claude Code, or Windsurf. Write functions in seconds, refactor entire code bases, generate tests, all for $20 a month. One senior dev plus AI now outputs more than a senior plus 3 juniors. Managers see this. CFOs see this. The hiring freeze isn't coming. It's already here. A startup founder told me last month he fired his 2 junior developers and gave his senior engineer a Cursor subscription. Output went up, bugs went down, cost dropped by over $100,000 a year. He said it wasn't even a hard decision. That story is repeating everywhere. And it gets worse. But here's what most people get wrong. They think the threat is that AI writes better code than juniors. It doesn't. AI code is often messy and fragile. The real threat is far worse. The learning ladder is disappearing. Every senior developer got good the same way. They wrote bad code. They broke production. They spent 3 hours on a bug that turned out to be a missing semicolon. That suffering built real understanding. Vibe coding skips all of it. And here's the trap nobody sees coming. A junior uses AI to build a project. It works. They push it to GitHub, put it on their resume, get an interview. Then someone asks them to explain their own code. And they can't. This is already happening. Hiring managers report candidates with impressive portfolios who collapse under basic technical questions. The code is real. The understanding isn't. 5 years from now, these developers will be senior by title, junior by skill. And when the AI tools break or hallucinate, they won't have the foundation to catch it. This creates a terrifying gap. The seniors who learned the hard way are retiring. The juniors who vibe coded their way up can't maintain complex systems. Nobody in the middle. Some will say, just learn fundamentals. Practice without AI. That advice is correct and completely useless. It's like telling someone to take the stairs when there's an elevator right there. The elevator is faster and gets you the job today. The real solution is harder. Companies need to rebuild the learning path. Juniors should explain every line the AI generates before it gets merged. Code reviews need to test understanding, not just correctness. Some companies are doing this. AI-assisted apprenticeships where juniors use the tools but get tested on the why behind the code. Those who explain it grow fast. Those who can't get flagged early. But most companies won't bother. They'll stop hiring juniors and give seniors better AI tools. That's the default path. Here's the number that should scare you. 63% of startups founded in 2026 have 0 junior engineering hires. 0. They launch with 2 seniors and a stack of AI subscriptions. The junior role isn't evolving. It's evaporating. So what do you do if you're a junior right now? 1. Build without AI first, then rebuild with AI. The contrast teaches more than any course. 2. Specialize in what AI is worst at. System design, architecture, business context, debugging production at 3 a.m. when the AI is hallucinating garbage. 3. Don't just ship. Explain. If you can't teach someone how your code works, you don't know it. The developers who survive this won't be the ones who prompt the best. They'll be the ones who understand what the prompts produce. The ones who can look at AI-generated code and instantly know what's wrong, what's missing, and what will break at scale. Vibe coding isn't going away. It's going to get faster and cheaper every single month. The question isn't whether AI will write code. It will. The question is whether you'll understand the code it writes. Right now, most juniors cannot answer yes. Thank you.